Hey homeowners, imagine a world where your wallpaper isn't just for decoration, but it actually heats your home. Sounds like something out of a Willy Wonka story, right? Well, it's no longer a fantasy, it's happening right now in Glasgow. Let me introduce you to revolutionary electric wallpaper. Developed by scientists at the University of Glasgow, this cutting-edge technology is transforming how we heat our homes. 12 homes in Glasgow have been outfitted with this innovative solution, which is applied to ceilings and then painted over. The result? An entire room heated in just 1 to 3 minutes. Andrew Kubski from the West of Scotland Housing Association shared some exciting feedback. We've been trialing this technology for several months, and the tenants where it's been installed have given us excellent reviews. Scotland's homes are among the oldest and least energy efficient in Europe, losing heat 3 times faster than many other European countries. And heating contributes to over 36% of the UK's total carbon emissions. That's why the West of Scotland Housing Association is piloting this electric wallpaper in 12 tenement properties around Glasgow. The aim? To reduce reliance on traditional central heating and cut down those hefty energy bills. This wallpaper is a game changer from next-gen heating. It's a far-infrared heating system, which mimics the warmth of sunlight. Though invisible to the eye, these infrared rays provide a gentle, sun-like warmth. The heat is dispersed from the ceiling, covering a large surface area to warm up rooms quickly and efficiently. Here's the kicker. The wallpaper is incredibly thin, just a fraction of a millimeter, and it's both fireproof and water-resistant. Electrical connectors at each end are hidden after installation, and it's wired into a low-voltage electricity supply. Lightweight cables connect to a transformer, typically placed in a central closet or cupboard. These transformers come with a 15-year warranty and require no maintenance. Just like traditional wallpaper, this electric version is glued to the ceiling and painted over to blend seamlessly into your room. Once turned on, the wallpaper evenly distributes heat, giving you that cozy, sun-warmed feeling. And it only takes 1 to 3 minutes to heat the entire room. This quick heating allows you to turn off the system when not needed and only heat spaces right before use, making it super efficient. Lower energy bills and reduced carbon emissions, that's a win-win. While this technology is currently being trialed in Glasgow, it has already been installed in various social housing units across England and Wales. NextGen confirmed that the cost of installing the wallpaper ranges between £2,800 and £4,000 for mid-sized flats and £3,500 to £5,500 for mid-sized houses. The company expects the system to be available to consumers throughout the UK by early 2025. Rory Kelly from Glasgow City Council emphasized the importance of this project. With around 70,000 tenement flats in Glasgow, finding innovative ways to efficiently heat these homes is critical to achieving our net zero goals. Pilot projects like this are essential in addressing both rising energy costs and reducing carbon emissions in the city's housing. So what do you think? Could this be the future of home heating? Stay tuned for more updates on this revolutionary technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more innovative home solutions. Catch you in the next video.